The power of touch. Your fingers are amazing. Our fingers are incredible. We use them for everything. Think about it. We write, type, cook, and even tie our shoes with these amazing tools. Our fingertips are super sensitive, allowing us to feel textures, temperatures, and even pain. Taking care of our fingers is essential for maintaining their dexterity and overall health. Neglecting our finger health can lead to problems. Dryness, cracked skin, and brittle nails are just the start. Worse, infections can develop, causing pain and discomfort. In this article, we'll explore simple yet effective ways to keep your fingers in tip-top shape. From basic hygiene to nail care and even finger exercises, we've got you covered. So, let's give our fingers the attention they deserve and keep them healthy and happy. Clean hands, happy fingers, hygiene essentials. The foundation of good finger care is simple. Keep your hands clean. Washing your hands regularly is crucial for removing dirt, germs, and other nasty stuff that can wreak havoc on your skin and nails. When washing your hands, use warm water and soap. Lather up for at least 20 seconds, making sure to scrub between your fingers and under your nails. After washing, dry your hands thoroughly with a clean towel. Don't forget to moisturize. Keeping your hands hydrated is key to preventing dryness and cracking. Choose a moisturizer that's specifically designed for hands, as these tend to be more effective. Nailcare know-how, tips for healthy nails. Our nails protect our fingertips and enhance our sense of touch. Proper nail care can prevent infections and keep our nails strong. Trimming your nails regularly is important. Use a sharp nail clipper to trim your nails straight across. Avoid cutting them too short, as this can lead to ingrown nails, which can be quite painful. Cleaning under your nails is another must-do for healthy nails. Use a soft bristled nail brush and warm, soapy water to gently remove dirt and debris. If you enjoy painting your nails, opt for non-toxic nail polish brands that are gentler on your nails. Give your nails a break from polish every now and then to allow them to breathe. Section 4. Protecting your tools. Shielding fingers from harm. Our fingers are often exposed to harsh chemicals, extreme temperatures, and potential injuries during our daily activities. Protecting them is crucial. When doing chores like washing dishes or cleaning the bathroom, wear gloves. Rubber gloves create a barrier between your skin and harsh chemicals, preventing dryness and irritation. Be mindful when using sharp tools like knives and scissors. Always cut away from your body and keep your fingers clear of the blade's path. If you're using power tools, wear appropriate safety gear, including gloves designed for the task. Remember, prevention is key. By taking simple precautions, you can significantly reduce the risk of finger injuries. Section 5. Finger fitness fun. Keeping your digits nimble. Just like the rest of our body, our fingers benefit from exercise. Regular finger exercises can help maintain flexibility, strength, and range of motion. One simple exercise is finger stretches. Extend your fingers as wide as you can, then slowly close them into a fist. Repeat this movement several times. You can also try gently pulling each finger back, holding for a few seconds, then releasing. Another great exercise is grip strengthening. Squeeze a stress ball or a soft ball for a few seconds, then release. Repeat this several times. You can also try picking up small objects like coins or marbles with your fingertips to improve dexterity. Incorporate these exercises into your daily routine, and you'll be amazed at how much better your fingers feel. Section 6. When to see a pro recognizing finger trouble. While most finger issues can be addressed with home care, some situations require professional attention. It's important to recognize when it's time to see a doctor. If you experience persistent pain, swelling, redness, or warmth in your fingers, it could be a sign of infection or another underlying condition. Don't ignore these symptoms. Similarly, if you have a cut or wound on your finger that's not healing properly or shows signs of infection, seek medical advice promptly. Early intervention is crucial for preventing complications. Remember, your health is paramount. When in doubt, always err on the side of caution and consult a healthcare professional.